Alright, what's up, gun people? It's your boy Polo Wick, and I'm here with my 3 favorite Hammerfire pistols. Now, let's start off with my Walther PPKS, chambered at 22, free and clear. Love this little bad boy. Come on, who doesn't? I mean, it's James Bond. And if you don't know, it's my man Rory Breaker, too, from Lock, Stock, and Two Smoking Barrels. Nice, clean pistol. Then we got the Gearsign Regard. It's just a Beretta M9 clone. Nice little budget version. Free and clear. And last but not least, you can't go wrong with 1911. This is the Kimber 1911 right here. Free and clear. These bad boys are beauts. But yeah, tell me what you think.